A very good afternoon to you. This is a Tech Guru. Today we're going to be looking at how to swap the bands on an Apple Watch 4. But before we jump into the detail, if you're new to this channel and you want help solving your tech related issues, similar to this one, and on other types of tech, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell. So let's jump into the detail right now on how to swap bands on an Apple Watch 4. Okay, so if we look at the Apple Watch on the back, we can see that there's a release button for each band, so one there, and then there's one the other side as well. So it's a case of just pressing these down to release the bands, which I'll demonstrate now. So if we do the first one, if you push the release button in, as you can see, with your nail, and whilst doing that, if you put some gentle pressure to the band and slide it off to the side, as you can see here, I put mine down when sliding it off. It just gives a bit more stability, and then just gradually slide it off gently. And then it's a case of just repeating exactly the same for the other band as well. So again, locate the release button, press it with your nails, and believe me, it's quite fiddly if you don't have nails. So if you push it in with your nail, just ease it off slightly while pushing it to the side, and then basically just slide it off fully, as you can see there. And as you can see, you're just purely left with the watch face, or the main part of the Apple Watch. Okay, so let's go ahead now and put the watch back together. And one really useful tip that I've learned is to actually lie the watch down, like you can see here, in the way in which you're going to actually put the bands on it back together. Okay, so let's attach the top band first. And by the way, you can tell if the bands are on the right way round, because on the original straps they've actually got the size printed on the top and inside part of the band. So it's a case of just picking up the main part of the watch, just sliding the band gently into the slot, as you can see here, and then a case of just waiting for it to click. And do the same for the other strap and wait for it to click, as you could hear there. And that's it. The key part is to make sure that the bands are actually located and they don't slide. Okay, so if you've attempted to fit your bands and it's still not working, for example, if you've actually located them into the channel or put them into the channel like shown, and they're just sliding through the channel, that is a sure sign that the band is actually back to front. So all you need to do is turn the band over and refit it and wait for it to click. So we hope you've been able to change your Apple Watch band successfully and you didn't find it too fiddly. I've also put together some other helpful tech related videos for you. Be sure to check them out. Links are appearing on screen now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.